For precise positioning, these connectors feature a tapped hole with 1 full inch of effective thread for positioning in horizontal installations. Notches are provided to attach the connector to the concrete form used in vertical installations. To ensure durable threads, Burndy's grounding plates are made of a high-strength copper alloy, and the compression connector is made of high-conductivity electrolytic copper. Burndy's ground plates can be installed with the same tools and dies as the rest of the high ground line. Burndy's ground plates are range-taking. Just 4 connectors provide both 2 and 4-hole versions, covering number 2 through 500 MCM conductors. When used with Penetrox, our grounding plates provide the highest degree of conductivity and durability. Safety codes require that the structural building members are also connected to the grounding system. To meet this requirement, Burndy offers the versatile structural steel grounding connectors. These connectors can be welded to the structural steel members before or after the structure is erected. Since they only require welding, the need for time-consuming disc grinding is eliminated. Should regalvanizing be necessary, this can be easily accomplished with a galvanizing bar while the installation is still hot. Versatile connectors are connected to the grounding grid by using Burndy's high-tap compression connectors. Since Burndy eliminates costly special preparation, our structural steel grounding connectors provide you with the lowest installed cost available today. As we've been discussing throughout this presentation, the comprehensive Burndy high ground system provides you with the lowest installed cost. The Burndy grounding line is truly the most comprehensive in the industry. Only Burndy is a complete source for both compression and mechanical grounding connectors, which are the topic of another video presentation. Because Burndy compression connectors are range-taking, require only minimal tooling, and complete installations can be made in under 5 minutes, Burndy can provide you with substantial savings over exothermic systems, even if you already have a complete set of molds. When you consider our longevity, safety, and the reduction of job delays, the high ground system is truly your cost-effective choice. Grounding, a conducting connection, whether intentional or accidental, by which an electric circuit or equipment is connected to the earth. Equipment grounding consists of the grounding of all non-current carrying metal frames, supports, and enclosures for electrical conductors and equipment. Only Burndy can provide a complete grounding connection system with connectors designed for virtually every requirement of today's grounding systems, from the grid to the fence around the yard. Burndy offers a comprehensive line of mechanical connectors which provide the means for connecting copper cable to ground rods, pipes and tubing, as well as cable and braid connectors, cable to bar, and a variety of other devices. All Burndy designs for direct burial are UL listed for burial in earth or concrete. Few, if any, manufacturers can make that claim. Let's now look at how Burndy's mechanical connectors provide both quality and flexibility, placing them far ahead of the competition. Burndy offers 2 different styles of connectors for attaching copper cable to ground rods: the often specified high-strength GRC clamps and the economical GRD ground rod clamps. Both clamps feature high-conductivity silicon bronze construction and a machined 3/8-inch hex bolt of the same material. In addition, they're both REA and UL listed for direct burial installations. Burndy's ground rod clamps are built to accommodate ground rod diameters ranging from 3/8 to 3/4 of an inch. Although similar in size and function, the GRC and GRD clamps are manufactured by different processes. Which one to use is a matter of personal preference or established print specification. For specific applications, other versions are also available. The Burndy GAR ground connector is truly representative of Burndy's superior engineering and manufacturing. These connectors are designed to connect a full range of copper cables to a wide variety of rod and pipe diameters. The GAR features a silicon bronze construction, providing the proper balance between strength and conductivity. These connectors have fully machined threads for consistency and feature a smooth U-bolt design to provide a greater conductive surface. Stronger than all threaded designs, the Burndy GAR is UL listed for direct burial applications. Don't be confused by competitive claims that threaded surfaces bite into the steel pipe. Conductive copper alloys are much softer and can't penetrate a steel surface. Superior connection is the result of a greater conductive surface area. That's why Burndy connectors are UL listed for direct burial, and other clamps are just not approved. In addition, Burndy GARs are reusable and competitively priced. Why pay more for less quality? The GAR ground connectors feature one wrench installation, and they'll reduce your inventory because the same connector can be used for both parallel and perpendicular cable-to-pipe installations. As with most of Burndy's connectors, these devices are range-taking and available to accommodate number 8 solid through 750 MCM conductors, tubes ranging from 1/4 inch to 5 inches IPS, and rods of 1/2 inch through 4.5 inches in diameter. Versions to attach cable to H-beams or square tubes are also available. When you consider the importance of proper long-term grounding, reusability, competitive pricing, and the fact that Burndy GAR ground connectors are UL listed for direct burial applications, they truly set the standard for the industry. In addition to the GAR series of grounding connectors, Burndy provides connectors for connecting 2 cables or a cable loop to a range of rod and pipe diameters. The GD series provides for parallel or cable loop installations, and the GP series is designed for applications requiring 2 conductors to be perpendicular to the pipe. GP connectors can also be used in a ground grid application by connecting 2 conductors to a ground rod at a cross connection. The Burndy GK series provides you with a means to connect 3 equal copper cables to a rod or tube. Using GK connectors, a loop can be run through the outer grooves, and an additional cable can be connected in the center groove to serve as a convenient tap. Since the looping cable can be attached without cutting, continuity is ensured and installation labor reduced. As shown in the Burndy catalog, these connectors are range-taking and available in models to handle a wide range of copper conductors and pipe diameters. They are made of high conductivity silicon bronze, are reusable, and UL listed for direct burial installations. For connecting cable to larger posts or pipes, the Burndy GQ series of connectors enable you to accommodate virtually any large diameter post. The Burndy GX connectors are designed for cross-grid cable applications, including UL-listed direct burial installations. They too are range-taking and can accommodate conductors from number 8 through 500 MCM. When the requirements call for grounding switch handles, gates, or flexible connections, Burndy offers a full range of flat, flexible copper braid jumpers. Constructed of tinned electrolytic copper braid, these jumpers feature unplated, seamless electrolytic copper ferrules. They're ideal for absorbing movement or vibration of electrical equipment and devices. Burndy's braid jumpers are suitable for current-carrying applications as well as grounding. Special sizes and lengths can be provided by Burndy's Custom Connector Center. To attach copper bar, straps, braid, or cables to rods or tubes, Burndy offers the GG series of connectors. These connectors will accommodate tubes ranging from 1 inch through 5 inches IPS and rod diameters of 1 1/8 through 4.5 inches. As with all our